And sticking with the theme of food, I wrote this in Eastbourne while seagulls were trying to nick my chips. I call it Seagull, Seagull. Seagull, Seagull, you've nicked my chip. You must not want to add weight to my hip. Seagull, Seagull, you nicked my chip. You taught me to share. Thanks for the tip. Seagull, Seagull, you've nicked my chip. Thanks for caring what goes past my lip. Seagull, Seagull. Alright, now stop. I promise I won't eat chips until I drop. Seagull, Seagull, you're starting to take the piss. My frustration and anger is starting to fizz. Seagull, Seagull, fuck off, you shitty feathered prick. Always stealing my food, you think you're so slick. Seagull, Seagull, I'm sorry for my anger. I hope you forgive me, peace is my mantra. Seagull, Seagull, you betray me again, right on cue. But you're the one in danger, for I have a particular set of skills. I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you. Seagull, Seagull, it turns out my aim with pebbles isn't as lethal in practice as it was in my mind. So you want my chips? Fine. It will be the last time. I've laced them with cyanide. Looks like the laugh is mine. No seagulls were harmed in the making of that poem.